Hey everyone, welcome to Melissa's Home Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to feed 8 people under $20, a very easy bean burrito meal. So we have here in front of us the equipment, a mixer, spatula, rolling pin, a bowl, some extra flour to make the tortilla. We have some extra flour for working on the surface. We have 4.5 cups of flour, 90 ml of cooking oil, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, and the hot water I'll get in a minute. 1.5 cup of hot water. And for the bean mixture, we have 3 different types of beans. We have kidney beans, cannellini, pinto beans, 2 medium size of onion minced or chopped, and 4 cloves of garlic minced, half teaspoon of cumin powder, 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1.5 teaspoon of salt. And then to assemble the burrito, we have all the different salad, lettuce, capsicum, cucumber, tomato, or chop up and slice. We have the 2 cups of cheese and sour cream. So to make the tortilla for the burrito, we're going to put in 4.5 cups of flour in the bowl. And then we have the 3 teaspoons of baking powder. And then we have 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And using the mixer, just gonna mix it in. Then I'm gonna add in the oil, 90 ml of oil. You can use any oil you have at home, whatever cooking oil you're using. So I have here actually rice bran oil. So we're just gonna mix it all in, and then we're gonna add in the water. It's hot water, not boiling, but hot water. So just change the spatula. So turn into a dough ball. Just bring it all in. Once the dough is being mixed in properly in the bowl, into a bowl, we're just going to take it out and we're going to knead for about 10 minutes. So just knead it. Turn it over. So just keep kneading until it's about 10 minutes. We're going to make jumbo tortilla. So if it's easier for you to knead, you can actually cut this into half. Just do one side, kneading, and then do the other one. Okay? Because it's quite a big portion. So just knit it over. If you don't need to, no need to put any flour on the surface, otherwise you're going to make the tortilla even more dry. So after 10 minutes, see, the dough is ready. So now we're going to roll it out into small balls. I'm going to divide it into 9 portions. We're going to make a big tortilla so that we can make into a burrito for dinner tonight. So now the dough all been divided out into 9 pieces and rolled into small balls, 9 balls. And I'm going to get a damp paper towel and just cover it and let it rest for 10 minutes. You can also use a tea towel. And I forgot to mention earlier that you have to cook the rice before you get started. Okay, so after 10 minutes, the ball is resting. Now we're going to roll it all out. So just cover it, just gonna press it down, and just put tiny bit of flour. Don't put too much flour. Just press it down, and then I'm gonna roll it up. So it's about the size of the nail plate. I'm just gonna put it here and gonna roll more, about half of the dough before we start frying, and then you can carry on. So this is our last tortilla that's been rolled. You just use your dinner plate as a guide, then you know how big your burrito. Just keep flipping over. Okay. And just big enough so that you can put all the ingredients in the middle. So that's all our 9 tortillas being rolled up. Now we're going to cook them. Just heat up the pan on medium heat. Once it's heated up, we're going to put the tortilla in. So, put it in. We let it cook for about 1 or 2 minutes, or until you can see bubbles on the top, and then you can flip it over. So just cook it until it's slightly brown like that. Flip it over. I think that this side maybe a bit more. This one is nearly done. Just a bit brown on that side. So just keep cooking until all the 9 tortillas are cooked. So just put it on for about 1 or 2 minutes, then you can flip over. Sometimes you see bubbles coming up. The tortilla can also be sealed and put in a plastic bag once it's cooled down for use, and leave it in the fridge for up to a week. It's done. Feel the bubble here. So keep doing that. Frying. The next one. So we're cooking our last tortilla. Just keeping it by the stove to keep warm. So this is the last one. It's nearly brown. So more. So it's done. So now we're going to cook the bean mixture. So take this up. Heat up the pot. I'm going to add the onions and the garlic. Fry that for about 5 minutes, until it's 5 to 10 minutes until it's golden brown. Okay. And now it's lightly brown, golden brown. We're just adding the tomato paste. Stir in. Then the cumin powder, and then the beans, and just going to stir that in. I'm going to add in about, put 1 cup of water. Okay, so once it's boiled, I'm going to add in the salt, 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir it in. And dash of pepper. And I'm going to let it simmer on medium heat until the sauce thickens a bit, maybe another 5 to 10 minutes until it's thickened. So while it's boiling, you can just taste and see whether you need more salt. Okay, it's fine as is. So make sure you stir frequently, let it thicken up a bit. So now the bean sauce is all thickened up. It's all ready. So now we can assemble the burrito. So now we're going to assemble, everything is cooked, we're going to assemble the burrito. Just put a piece here. We're going to put, you can put how much rice you want. If you don't want too much rice, you can just put less. It's the brown rice. And then just put some beans mixture on top. And then I'm going to put the salad. And the cheese. And now the sour cream. And then we're just going to fold them. Just fold the side down. Make it a bit fat. Here you go. This is your tortilla all ready to be eaten. Here's our burrito dinner to feed 8 people for under $20. So easy and simple. So hope you enjoy and hope to see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.